What's going on, guys? Hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I have here my 2004 Subaru Liberty luxury wagon. And so, as always, let's get into it. This particular body colour is known as Obsidian Black Pearl Metallic and features a full black leather interior, frameless windows, leather inserts on the doors. I bought this on June 13th at Subaru Ballarat for $6,000, and let me tell you this, it was a steal. Now, the odometer reads 252,118 Ks, but don't be fooled. Don't think it's going to be crap because of the high Ks, because about 2 or 3 years ago I was told this had a new engine put in, and it's only done 70,000 Ks. So let's see how she sounds. She sounds fantastic. I got a 6-disc CD player with tape player and AM/FM radio. Got a bit of Maroon 5 going on there. I got So Fresh in the CD player. Automatic driver's side window. And that beep you just heard there, it's got aftermarket Bluetooth phone, so that's always good. Digital clock. Comes with Subaru's 6-speed sports automatic with manual shift, leather handbrake, three-spoke sports leather wrap steering wheel. It's got the steering wheel protector on it because the actual steering wheel's a tad ruined, so but that's all right. Storage. This is actually lined with velvet. This is the exact size of an iPhone 5, so it fits my phone pretty perfectly. Cup holders. Center console with a 12-volt adapter. A cigarette lighter there, which is also a 12-volt adapter with an ashtray as well. Keep your spare change in that. Automatic air conditioning. How do I switch it on? Oh. There we go. Pop that on to AC. Search mode. Yep. That feels nice and cool. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit hot in my jumper right now. It's got a driver's side and passenger airbag, as well as curtain airbags in the front. Sunglass holder, got my sunnies there. Lights, sun visors, new mirrors, electric mirrors, cruise control, and an electric driver's seat. I've got it all. Fantastic. So we're now going to pop the hood. Let's go check out the engine, shall we? It's got a 2.5 litre, 16-valve, 4-cylinder boxer engine, or flat 4 I should say, flat 4 boxer engine, which produces 121 kilowatt and 226 Newton-meters of torque. Now I have heard since I've filmed a couple of Subarus that the EJ25 Subaru engines, they were known for their head gasket failures, but because this one's done, the engine in this has only done 70,000 Ks, I should imagine that won't happen for a while. Brilliant. It's got 17-inch alloy wheels, indicators on the door mirrors. And yes, I've got Tim-O-Matic playing in there. CD still playing. Electric windows works. Lots of feet space here in the back of the Liberty. And I've got pockets here in the driver and passenger seat. Ashtray. And 2 more cup holders. Ew, get rid of this. Frickin' Reese Maston. I can't reach a switch. Yeah, it is a good song. Train. The leather seats in the back are really comfortable. New York, Santa Fe. I love my car. Let's go check out the boot. I put stickers on it yesterday. Subaru Ballarat. And this car, well, all the carpets in the car are filled with, they got rubber mats on them, so the carpet in, all the carpets on it are clean as a whistle. Look, it's got rubber mat. Look at that. Clean as. Spare wheel and jacker under there. Cool as, dude. Original manual with service history. It's a sweet ride, this. Where am I putting it? Putting it up there. Fit. Thank you. Oh. I'll just go wind the window back up and I'll shut her down as well. I've got to wait for it. Alright. I've made one bloody wise decision. I'm extremely proud of myself with this thing. But anyway guys, that's it for this in-depth tour on the 2004, well my 2004 Subaru Liberty luxury wagon. Hope you guys enjoyed it. There's plenty more where that came from. You can like, comment and subscribe. See you guys next time.